There's three pieces to this module. The first, historical incident databases, is showing us what has happened, what can happen. And of course, learning from the mistakes of others is a lot less painful than learning from our own. It's been said that those who do not know the history are condemned to repeat it. And it's certainly true that the very substantial majority of incidents are very similar to incidents from the past. Change the names and a few of the details, and we're seeing a very similar pattern of events. So we can certainly learn what can go wrong, and if we don't know what can go wrong, we probably won't be guarding against it. The second section on metrics shows us how well we are doing in managing our process safety and highlights opportunities for improvement. The third section is on the bad actors, the systems and equipment which cause us an unfair share of our process safety problems. Every maintenance department has a bad actors list, the equipment that keeps coming back. Well, what we'll be studying in the third section of this module is the process safety engineering bad actors list. We'll see why we have those problems and what process safety events have been caused by them. And that will lead us into what we can do to minimize our problems from our bad actors. It can be important for several reasons. It can help us reduce our downtime, thereby improving profitability. It can help us to reduce the number and also the severity of our process safety incidents. If we know what to expect, we can probably guard against it. If we do have an incident and we understand it, we can probably do a better job of mitigating its consequences. So that can help us from a safety standpoint and from a profitability standpoint. What can go right? Fewer incidents, less severe incidents, less downtime, and a better reputation among our neighbors, employees, regulatory agencies, insurance companies, joint venture partners, all of our stakeholders. What can go wrong? Well, the exact opposite of what can go right. More trouble, more cost, and a significantly worse reputation. Well, that can hit us right in our corporate back pocket. Process safety incidents are very expensive in direct cost, penalties, court cases, downtime, lost business opportunities. Anything that we can reasonably do to reduce both the number and the severity of our process safety incidents is likely to pay off quite substantially. By recognizing where we are likely to go wrong, by measuring how well we are managing our process safety, and by knowing where we are likely to run into trouble, we can do a better job of both avoiding problems and by mitigating the consequences of those problems that do arise.